Today, we are going to learn how we can use Rating Widget on flutterflow projects and build a review system. We will start with Firebase collection first. I will create a new collection which will be a sub-collection. I am creating data types which we will need on our system. Now I will add another field to our main collection. I put there rating field. It will be an integer and list. We will also collect all ratings in this field, and after we will use this field for our custom function. We can begin to work for our system. We will need two things, page and component. I will start with component. In this component, our users will add their opinion and rate the thing what we offer them. I am building design of component now. We build the design. First we will create component parameter and call documents of product. We will need this unique parameter for our action part, and it will help us to create document on referred collection. Select component parameter and click add parameter. Give parameter a name. We will select our type as document reference. Collection type will be product. Okay, now time to add action to our buttons. We will start with creating document on review collection. Select actions and click add action. Find create document. Collection will be review. Product reference will be document reference in page parameter. Set field as I am doing now. Great, now we will add our second action. Find update document. Our reference will be product ref to update. Click add field. Find rating which we created it at the beginning. List update type will be add to set. Value source will be from variable. Variable will be widget state rating bar. Our third action will be show snack bar. You can modify here as you wish. Fourth action will be close dialog. Now we will set values of rating and review system. Before we start, I want to show you custom function which will calculate average score of product. You can find the code on our Discord channel and website. Links will be in description. I will start with information about review and rating part. Click average number. select custom function and select average rating. Choose product documents, rating. That's it. Now we will do same way for Ratingbar widget. Time to query review collection. I am showing you now. We have documents and we can set values. You can follow my step. Okay, now test the system. If you didn't subscribe to my channel, please subscribe and keep watching new tutorials about flutterflow. You can also help me to reach more people if you like this video. You can find pre-built app projects on my website and also become member for exclusive videos about flutterflow. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.